welcome back. These are the products that are trending on Etsy this week. If you're new here, hi, I'm Danny, and I'm here to show you how to create trending digital products that you can sell online using free tools like Canva. Be sure to like, share, and follow me as I share tips, tricks, and digital product ideas that you can start creating and selling today. Stick till the end, as I'll show you how you can make one of these trending products in Canva. Fall and Thanksgiving pregnancy announcements are trending up this week. Autumn-themed mock-ups give sellers options on how to model their designs. Thanksgiving and fall-themed coloring pages for both adults and kids are always a good seller during this season. Funny Thanksgiving designs are great for print-on-demand sellers. And Thanksgiving, fall-themed activity puzzles and games are a hot item trending up this week. Stick around and I'll show you how you can create a simple Thanksgiving bingo card set using Canva. You're going to go the app offerings in Canva and we'll make some bingo cards. Click on apps and then search for bingo cards. It will be the first result. Write or copy and paste your list of words to be used in the bingo cards. I suggest you have a list of at least 50 terms. Choose the 5x5 grid size, how many cards you want, and the font used in the bingo card squares. Once done, click on the Create button and give it a bit to create your cards. Click on the generated cards to add to your Canva page, and now we'll go and spruce it up with various elements. If you wish, you can easily add picture elements that represent your list of words to create picture-based bingo cards. To make it a much more attractive offer, create several different activities, puzzles, and games to sell them as a bundle. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, follow, share, and comment as I give you tips and tricks to create and sell digital products with Canva.